We're here at the Mekong River in Mukdahan, Thailand. We came here last night and did a live stream on the walking street, and I thought I would come back during the daylight hours and show you the Thai-Lao Friendship Bridge number 2. We got our shrimp tempura, and I got a surprise in it. There is also asparagus. I tasted it, yummy. Did you try it, Jai?
Yes.
And we also have kaprao mu and lard mu, and coming soon is khao
Crab fried rice.
It's crab fried rice. Looks good.
Kaprao Thai basil.
Our total meal, kaprao is Thai basil, and lard mu is pork with rice mashed together, and then the shrimp tempura.
Very beautiful view.
Awesome view out here for our dinner tonight. Over there is the Friendship Bridge number 2. It goes from Thailand, Mukdahan, to Laos on the Mekong River. Okay, in the background behind us here, the mountains, there's a huge Buddha. We're going to go check out the Buddha tomorrow.
Okay, you start eating, baby. Very nice place.
Get over here a little closer.
Yeah.
Try this out.
Very good, huh?
I don't know if we're going to be able to drive on it. I wanted to see if we can at least cross it to the other side and turn around and come back, but probably not, I'm going to guess, because I don't have a visa for Laos. I don't know if you can just go a one-day pass. But we're going to go today to Thai Friendship Bridge number 3 later in the afternoon. So I'm going to link together probably a number of the locations that we went through yesterday and today into a video. We saw this on the side of the road when we were leaving the Thai-Lao Friendship Bridge number 2. And I wanted to stop and video it. I believe it's a private property. I don't know what it says, but apparently I'm going to guess you can pay to go in there because it's a private owned spot. Really cool. Looks like it's meant to be a boat above. And this side here, I don't know if it's a part of it, but this is in construction right now. So I'll get a better spot. Hopefully I can get away from the sun. Wow, there's so much more over here that I didn't see. Very colorful. Okay, this is a better spot. You can see it better, the construction. These guys are good doing this freehand work. is inside the peak. Look at the detail. These guys are good. Oh, they have more inside too. So cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I saw it last night when we were leaving in the dark, and I wanted to check it out today, so we had to come back and hunt it down. I'm assuming it's all part of the same place across the street. Walking in the mouth, and it's a cave. The guy was nice enough to let me come in. Oh, there we go. So I came in a cave. The guy was nice enough to let me walk inside here. It's all under construction still. Oh my goodness. These guys are so good. The detail everywhere. I hope you're as impressed with this as I am. It's privately owned. Imagine when it's all lit up. When everything gets painted. Probably whoever's going to do the painting got to be quite an artist too to understand what they're going for here. See if I can get out over here now. Really good. I would imagine across the street is somewhat the same thing. Uh-oh, don't want to go out this way. Or go back the way I came in. Quite a deal. I'm very impressed. We hope you like this content. If you're not a subscriber, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It helps our channel. Doesn't cost you anything. We appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jida. Time to get going. We're out.